How are you?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you for asking. And what about you, ma'am? How are you?
Yeah, I'm going.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Okay, let me start first. I'm Preeti and I'm an English teacher. I work in a school. I'm from Haryana.
Okay.
And if I talk about my educational qualifications, so I did MBA, MA English, and B.Ed. Apart
Okay.
from my teaching, yes, apart from my teaching, I run my two YouTube channel. One is
Okay.
Easy Way to Learn with Preeti. That is my study channel. And another one is Easy Way Vlog. That is my vlogging channel. So that's
Okay.
all a little bit about me. If you want to
Mm-hmm.
ask, feel free to ask.
Oh, that's nice. So you have YouTube channel, two channel. Oh my God. So how to manage? And you are a housewife. I think you're a housewife, ma'am.
No, no, no. I'm working in a school. I work as a teacher. I work as a teacher.
Okay, and you are working as a teacher, and you have run up both YouTube channels. So how to manage?
It's a general question, and it's
Mhm.
depend on your timetable, on your schedule, how you are managing the task, different tasks. You can say I'm a
Okay,
versatile person because yes, it's my passion to run my YouTube channel. So I
okay,
think whenever you have passion for anything, passion towards anything, so in that case, somehow you can manage. You somehow you always manage the time. So it
okay.
on your tendency, you are managing the time.
Oh, that's nice, ma'am. Actually, I listen first time to one. I mean to say one YouTube channel. It's okay, but you have two YouTube channels. Oh my God! So it's a very it's unbelievable. Like, and you manage and you are teaching also. So that's nice.
Actually, my first channel is related to study. That is my entertain. That is the name of Easy Way to Learn with Preeti. So on that channel, I upload videos related to grammar. But from last some months, I'm uploading only conversations videos there. And another one is Easy Way Vlog. So that channel I created just to record the memories of my life. That is really, you can say, very near to my heart because on that channel, usually I upload my dancing videos, my family vlog, and whenever I get opportunity to connect with my colleagues, with my friends, with my relatives, so usually I record those moments and then upload on my that channel. So
Okay.
you
So,
can say,
yeah, ma'am. So you are a teaching. So you are a government teacher and private teacher, ma'am. Which one?
no, I work in a private school.
Okay. So which class you teach mostly?
Yeah, right now I'm taking TGT classes, 6 to 10, English
Okay.
and SST. Yes, both subjects I'm taking there.
Ma'am, so there are so many naughty children. So how to handle?
Yeah, before proceeding our conversation, I think we should. I just want to know more about to you also because I know only
Yeah,
about name.
definitely, ma'am. So, you know, my name is Lavanya and I'm from Chattisgarh, ma'am. I live in Raigad city. It's a small city, not a big city. And if you talk about my education, so I'm doing my master degree. It's my final year, like as special educator. You know, as special educator.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah, it's my final year. And apart from my own setup, like beauty parlor, I have one business. Yeah, it's a beauty parlor, ma'am, like salon.
Mm-hmm.
In my under, so there are in my under five staff, ma'am, all about
Oh,
me. Yeah. So yeah, I think you asked.
yeah. I want to ask: are you running your own salon?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's great. In your early age, like you are a student as well as you are. So why you want to ask the question? You are also a versatile person. You are running your. Are you a YouTuber too?
No, no, no. Actually, I'm not a YouTuber. That's why I'm asking the recorded this session because sometimes I make a mistake. So sometimes I correct it when I mistake. So that's reason I record this session.
Okay,
Yeah. So
okay. No,
that's why I'm
no
asking.
issues. We all are learner, no problem. We all are learner. And mistakes are the right of human being. Only after
Okay.
mistakes, yes, we can learn. Okay, so you are running your beautician, right? A beauty
Yeah, ma'am.
parlor,
Yeah,
as
ma'am.
well as you are doing your special education.
Yeah, ma'am.
So, how these two combined things are related? Like, if you want to be a professional, like in beautician, so I think you should properly concentrate only in that way. And you are using your education, yeah, like you are doing special education. That is also related. Very nice, very nice. It was my dream also. After completing my B.Ed, I came to know about the special education. Otherwise, it was my dream also to do
Okay.
the B.Ed in special education because there are lots of scope for government job.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. And if you talk about my hobby, so I love cooking and I love basketball, swimming, and dancing. Sometimes I sing the song. I'm a bathroom singer.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
and car driving and special like I use I'm doing daily basis like exercise. That's it.
Oh, you are more versatile than me. More versatile. Very talented.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I love exercise and I love cooking because whenever I cook, so sometimes I'm feel happy. And even if you talk about my exercise, so I love exercise. Even my childhood, like I'm in 10th standard. So that times I'm go for walk and little small exercise. So I'm very curious about all those things. I'm learning new things. So that's reason.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Fabulous. Fabulous. It's amazing you are using your talent in multitask. You're multitasker. So
No, but
it's really nice,
actually,
like you are health conscious too. It's good.
yes, ma'am. I'm very health conscious and I love exercise and I love my hobby, all hobby. Even when I get free time, so sometimes I do my hobby and I enjoy myself.
Mm-hmm. Great, great. Okay, so I just want to give one tips. Like you are versatile person, you are very talented, multitasker as well. So I think you should also start a YouTube channel that's related to your occupation, that is beautician. So I think think a different unique name for that, like for your YouTube channel, and there you can upload different type of things, like you can upload related, that can be a different type of advertisement for your beauty parlor, and as well as you can speak there, like in blog form you can speak their English, you can make English blog. So I think in one time you can do the two tasks, English speaking practice as well as your beauty parlor. Yes. So that is really nice.
Yeah, actually, I want to become a fluent speaker, so that's the reason nowadays I'm learning. And earlier, like it was my I have been learning English only for 3 months to 4 months. It's my 4 month, I think so. So
Okay.
whenever I get free time, so I have one application. It's a Ask Fluency app. So
Oh,
sometimes I connect a stranger and I talk sometimes 20, 30 minutes. Yeah, ma'am.
mm,
Depend on the co-learner how to talk. Yeah, and
yes.
apart from like sometimes I watch conversation video whenever I get free time. So sometimes I watch like three, 3 hours. Depend on my timing. Sometimes 3 hours,
Mm.
sometimes 2 hours, sometimes half an hour. And even I'm reading, even I'm writing also.
Oh my God. It's the same question, and that is not manageable for me. That you ask how you manage. I just want to ask the same question. I want to throw this question towards your side. How you manage all these your talent and passions in your timetable? Like you are You are running your own channel. You have to do study also. You want to be a fascinate English fluent speaker as well. You are consuming your time in listening practice, speaking practice, in writing practice. So how you do all these things?
Actually, ma'am, I'm a distance education learner. I'm not a regular student. I'm staying in Chattisgarh. So I already mentioned I'm in Raigad city, and my study college like Raipur, Rautpura. So Raigad and Raipur both are, I think, distance 400 kilometers.
Oh my.
So it's too far. Yeah. So I have done my degree, but now my exam is gone. But now I'm waiting for my result and then go for government job and private job. But now I'm free.
I think there is no need to do job. You are running your own business. So no need to I full concentrate there. Give full
Yeah.
concentration there.
Yeah, I know, ma'am. Actually, I want to, I like government job, and even I earlier
Hmm.
saloon only for 3 years. I maintain my saloon, but earlier I'm working as a lakme. So that times I posted in manager.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then
I
set up my own business. So now it's my 3 years running my own business.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, it's the dream of every Indian, I think, and every person dream like to get good government job because I think in government job you have good scope in your about your future. You have well security in your job because in private job there is no security. Yes, this is the only one difference. Otherwise, nowadays, all private job is also some private jobs are also better than government job. But yes, in it's the thinking of most of Indians like government job. They always prefer to government job, no doubt.
Yeah, actually, I prefer because I love and I love my I'm to say I'm doing special educator, so I love children and I teach them. So that's reason. So it's a not a full time job like 7 morning shifted. I want to morning like sometimes 7 to 1 o'clock and sometimes 10 to 5. So it's like a part time job. I want only for part time job, not like full time.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. If you get if luck like in government job, so no
Yeah.
problem. You can do. Otherwise, I think if you are running your own institute for some time, for last some time, so you have to be concentrate only and only there because I can understand. Once I also started my own institute that is related to coaching institute, but that
Okay.
I don't know. That was that time. Like luck did not help me. Luck was not there with me that time because after opening my institute, Corona came. So yes, it
Okay.
was the time before Corona. So
Okay.
first year of Corona was you can say that time my coaching institute was going like no profit no loss. So that time was you can say like first year. That time I was thinking it's okay, I will manage. But again and second year when again came Corona, so in second year that was the spoiling time you can say because many students in India, many students get good marks without giving their exams. So
Mm-hmm.
that time, yes, that time students thought and parents, it was the thinking of parents also. There is no need of coachings and no need of tuition. Without tuition and without coaching, if students are getting 90 above marks, so what is the need to go there? Because
Ah,
that was the time when parents were forcefully they have to give the fees in schools as well as coaching institutes. So
okay.
that's why after second corona, I end up my that institution. I closed up, and again I started my teaching. So right now I'm teaching. I think it's since more than 10 years. I'm teaching. I'm in teaching. Yes.
Oh my
So
God.
now it's really easy for me. because I am habitual.
So, ma'am, what's your working time like?
It was the thinking of most of women earlier. Like for a woman, for a girl, teaching is best. But right
Mhm.
now, I think teaching is not really best and not very easy task for a woman also, because if I talk about my wake up time, so usually I wake up at 4:30, and I have to get ready till 7:10, because my school cab timing is 7:10 in the morning, and I get free in daytime. Like departure time for teachers is 3,
Mhm.
so it's a long time, like 7 to 3. We have to stay with our colleagues, with our students, and after coming back, you have lots of workload of school, because somehow we have checking work, assignment work, and lesson planning. Because
Mhm.
nowadays it's really difficult to manage school duty for a teacher.
Mhm.
Being a teacher, I can understand it's not a easy task.
Yeah, even even I think summertime they also call teacher and all. I think
Yes,
it's
yes.
happened.
Yes. In many schools, management call to staff till half month of June. Yes,
Okay.
for summer. Yes, for summer camp, and winter break also only for students, not for teachers. So somehow it's not easy. But
Yeah.
yes, now I'm habitual, because after it's a long journey, and I'm doing the same.
10 years.
Yes.
So it's a 10 years. So it's a commendable.
That's why now I always feel happy, because whenever I get more than 2 3 holidays,
Okay.
suppose like August and October, especially in these 2 months we get holidays usually because of the festivals, national festivals. So whenever I get more than two, 3 holidays, so I always feel bored in that case without my student. I'm habitual to be busy every time.
Okay. Yeah. So, ma'am, what's your hobby?
Okay, if I talk about my hobbies, so I also like listen to music, gardening, yoga as well, because yes, in morning it's not possible for me to do yoga and exercise, but yes, in evening I always try to manage my half an hour especially for yoga session. Yes, to
Okay.
stay fit and
So
healthy.
you
Yes,
have lots of hobby. You have lots of hobby.
yes. Okay,
Okay.
you told me like you are very fond of music and you are a bathroom singer. So can you sing something
Oh my God.
for one or two lines, please?
Actually, ma'am, right now I feel little bit nervous, so I can't. But whenever
What?
I get I again reconnected, so I definitely.
Okay,
I,
okay, okay,
yeah, but
okay,
today I little bit I'm feeling nervous.
okay. Actually,
I'm
it's
not
really
a good singer, but I know and I love singing because sometimes I sing and even I'm thinking, so I'm laughing and I'm enjoying.
Mhm.
That's it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. No, if you have passion, no, so always stay with your passion. Like if you are very fond of music, I'm also fond of music, but I like to listen only. Gungunana, like with singing part, that is a different thing. But
Yeah.
if you have good melodious voice, so you should start singing. And I think you are a good singer. No, I'm not, but yes, I always like to do, because in school, being a teacher, you have good quality of activities. Also, you have to indulge every time. You have to use your qualities in other activities, co-curricular activities. So usually
Yeah.
I do dance with my students. Dancing is my passion. I always feel like whenever I hear any good sound, bass sound of music, I always start dancing.